Hey there, Mrs.Hou here. This is our 11th video of Lesson 5, Visiting Friends. 中文听说读写第5课看朋友 In this video, we are going to talk about new words from number 1 to number 3. It's on page 136. Now let's get started. The first word is 玩. So 玩 is a verb. It means to have fun or to play. So the pronunciation is 玩, but actually for North people, we usually say 玩. Now let's look at the stroke orders of 玩. 横横竖提横横撇竖弯钩 There are 3 parts in 玩. The first part is 王 means king. The top right part is 二. The pronunciation is 二, but in real life we usually say 二, means 2. The bottom right part is 儿, means son. So the radical for this word is 王. So we say 王字旁. Now the phrases of 玩. 好玩. 好玩 means amusing, fun. 玩笑. 玩笑 means joke. 玩具. 玩具 means toy. Now let's look at the second word, 书. 书 is a noun, means book. Now let's look at the stroke orders. 横折横折钩竖点 There's only one part of 书. Now let's look at the phrases. 看书. 看书 means to read books. 书店. 书店 means bookstore. 图书馆. 图书馆 means library. Next word is 馆. 馆 is a noun. It means building or shop. Now let's look at the stroke orders. 撇横钩竖提点撇横钩竖横折横横折横 Now let's look at the building blocks of 馆. So the left part is 十字旁 means food. The right part is 官 means official. So the left part 十字旁 is not a word itself. It can be only used as radical. Now let's look at the phrases of 馆. 图书馆. 图书馆 means library. 体育馆. 体育馆 means gym. 饭馆. 饭馆 means restaurant. Now let's look at a similar character. 官. 官 means official. This is the right part of 馆. Now let's look at the grammar 了. 了 is very important in Chinese grammar. The particle 了 is used to express the completion of an action. So we are going to learn 3 sentence patterns. The first one is subject plus time plus verb plus 了 plus object. Please pay attention, time here can be omitted. And also time can be used at the end, at the beginning of the sentence. Now let's look at this sentence. 他 is the subject. 上个月 last month is the time. 去 is the verb. The is the particle, express the completion of an action. Then 纽约 is the object. 他上个月去了纽约。上个月她去了纽约。So she went to New York City last month. So for your homework, you need to use the words in the picture to make up new sentences. For example, the first one, 莫斯科，莫斯科。So you just use 莫斯科 to replace 纽约。So your new sentence should be 他上个月去了莫斯科 or 上个月他去了莫斯科 So this is your first assignment. Next page. So these sentence frames are for the negative form. So subject plus time plus negate word may plus verb plus object. Please pay attention here. For negation statements, we don't use the anymore. We just use may. Same thing here. Time can be used at the beginning of the sentence. Now let's look at the example. 他 is the subject. 上个月 is the time. So you can use after the subject or at the beginning of the sentence. Then negation may, then verb 去, then the object is the place, 北京。他上个月没去北京。Or 上个月他没去北京。This means he didn't go to Beijing last month. So this is your second assignment. Same thing, use the words from the word bank to replace the place here. So for the first one, he didn't go to Moscow last month. So your sentence should be 他上个月没去莫斯科。Or 上个月他没去莫斯科。Okay, next one. So for this one, we have three sentence forms. Positive statement, yes-no questions, and negative statement. So the subject plus verb plus the plus number plus measure words plus object. So please do this part together. Same thing here, yes-no question. We just add ma at the end of sentence. And may is used before the verb to negate the whole sentence. Please pay attention, we don't use the here. Now let's look at examples. 他喝了2罐可乐。So 他 is the subject. 喝可乐 So verb, object. 喝了2罐可乐 So had 2 cans of cola. She had 2 cans of cola. Then yes-no question. So we just add ma at the end of sentence. 他 subject. 喝了3罐可乐吗 Then negation. Negative statement. 他没喝3罐可乐 Please pay attention. Don't use the here. Don't use the here. 他没喝3罐可乐他喝了2罐 So this is your third assignment. So same, use the words here to replace the word. Okay. 他喝了2杯啤酒。他喝了2杯啤酒。Please pay attention. You need to change the measure words here. So, except 可乐, we use 罐. All others, we use 杯. That's it, thank you. 谢谢，再见。